Okay, you guys, so we are getting in our 12 pony packs of strawberries that we got from the local nursery. And I just wanted to talk for a second about why it is good to plant strawberries in fall. Hi you guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. If you're new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today we are going to be, that's Hunter.
Hi.
Today we are going to be planting strawberries. Okay, we're gonna take you through the entire process from finding them at the nursery all the way through to mulching them in the end. All right, I hope you guys enjoy.
Strawberries. We're gonna do a nice strawberry bed.
A lot of these look really nice. Can I pick one?
How many flats do you think we need?
Let's look.
There's 6.
So we had a volunteer grapevine growing, so I am transplanting it over by the fence line so we can continue our grapevine down the fence.
Okay, you guys, so we are getting in our 12 pony packs of strawberries that we got from the local nursery. And I just wanted to talk for a second about why it is good to plant strawberries in fall. Okay, so a lot of strawberry farms will put their starts out in fall before they want to harvest, the year before they want to harvest, because the plants will have a chance to put roots down now instead of putting all of their energy into growing roots when you plant them in the spring. So if you can get them in the ground and get them mulched and allow them to grow over winter, when spring comes around, then they're going to be putting more of their energy into growing fruit instead of growing the roots. All right, so let's get the rest of these in. So we had almost given up hope on these dragon tongue beans because they got so hot. But you guys, they are making more. Okay, you guys, so we had a neighbor down the road from us contact Justin and see if he wanted cedar shavings from his mill that he has, and we of course accepted them graciously. So we are going to be doing a wheelbarrow load of the cedar shavings on the base below the straw for our strawberry bed to keep bugs away over the winter, because we do have a lot of problems with like pill bugs and pincher bugs and stuff like that. So we're hoping that this is going to work really well. All right, so let's get these on there and then we'll get the straw on there. What do you have, Colton? Colt, what do you have? Do you have straw?
Daddy. And 6, 7, 6.
Okay, you guys, so now we are going to be using weed-free rice straw to top off our beds, okay? You can use wheat straw if you want to, but just keep in mind that you will grow wheat if you put wheat straw down. Okay, so we are hoping that all of these layers are going to suppress the weeds over the winter and let our strawberries really get established well. And yeah, so let's get to that. Okay, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about planting strawberries or why we overwinter them, if we didn't answer anything in this video, please feel free to comment below. We love to interact with you guys. And if you guys liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye.